Hi there. So today I want to show you a little hack. So how to have a button in your Groove page, which is it's on two lines. So this is a question from John from the Facebook group actually that was asking to have how to do this in CSS and how to do that. So actually we're not able to do it in pure CSS. So I will show you today a method in four-step to yes, to give the button a new way of display actually. This feature is already requested by the community in the GrooveFunnel feature request. So you see is subtext button. So this is basically what we will do. And also the button with two lines of text. So I will show you, I will put you in the description the links to these two page requests or feature requests so you can vote on them. So what we will end up doing actually is that. So you see, yes, John giving this training on the two-line text. So stay tuned so you can see the four-step to do this actually. You also see here that the title of this section actually is a different font. So I will post below a link to this video and also show a card in the video above, so you are able to see, if you want, how you can add to your page different font like Google font. So let's take a look at the solution. So the solution actually it's a four-step. So first you create your button and give it an ID. So this will be the caption of my button and this will be the ID that I will use. After that, we need to copy and paste this CSS. This CSS actually is giving the font of our caption a smaller size. So the first line is a bigger size and the second line is a smaller size. And also it put it back in normal weight. So if it's bold, it will be normal size, normal weight. The third step actually is to copy and update this JavaScript. So this is the ID that it will be important to match this ID here. It's important that your ID will be unique for each button on your page. And you will be able to paste, copy and paste this text. The principle behind this hack actually is that in the caption of your button, we add three dots here. So these three dots will work as a token. So the code will take the button actually here, take the text of the button. So this one here will take also the inner HTML, which is a more complex form of text. With code, it will split actually your caption based on the three dots. So this is an important concept to understand, since if you have in your button the three dots by themselves, actually you will need to change that code for example, an hashtag. So for something that you don't have in your caption of the caption of your button. So basically you find the text and it will rebuild the text with your first part before the three dots and the second part after the three dots. So let's do this. So if I come back here into the editor, so this is a normal button where you will have the yes, John, give me this training soon, with also into the three dots. And you will see here in the page. So okay, so this is first step. So the text, capture the text here, the configure the text here. The next step actually is to put in the custom attribute here the name of your button, so the ID of your button. So as you can see below, it's element ID attribute. So you placed it. So this is kind of giving a name to your button, so the code is able to go to it and change it. The next step here is to paste that code here. So that code, you will put it in the page section, edit setting of your page, and you will find here the custom CSS section. At the bottom of it, you will add here the CSS code. Okay, this CSS code don't need to be multiple times if you have multiple buttons. But if you have different layout of button, of different shape of the button, then you will need to actually put more more CSS. And the third part here is actually, once you have updated this code here to match the code of the ID of your button, you will copy this code and you will paste it here in this section. So this section here, as you can see, is include in body button. Why we use this section and not this section is because we want the button to be rendered. So we want the button to be in the page before actually calling this code, executing this code to make the change. So we'll do the update here. So this is the version with the dièse. No, actually, this is the version with the 3 dots. So we will see if this works. If we do this, you see this is working. So I will do in front of you how to change actually the 3 dots by actually three hashtags, for example. So in order to do this, what we will do, we will go into the button, configure, and we will change here the 3 dots that we have here by hashtag. So 3 hashtags, okay? If you do this here, you will need to also update the code. So basically update this part here of code. Instead of having a token which is 3 dots, we will have a token that is 3 hashtags. Same for here, actually, you will see that it's 3 hashtags. And we will copy this code here and update it here. But before updating it, actually, I will show you what is happening if we don't change here the 3 dots. So I will save that. You see the hashtag here. It saves, we will run. And you see that before it was working with the 3 dots, since I have changed the 3 dots to the hashtag, you see the code doesn't find the hashtag because it's looking for the 3 dots. And you see also an undefined here. The undefined is because since it didn't work, it tried to access things that are undefined. So in order to fix this, so we have to go back to our page, edit settings. And at the bottom here, we will replace the code that was looking for the 3 dots by a code that is looking for the 3 hashtags. We'll do save, run again, and now it's working and the hashtags are not there anymore. So, and also just to show you that the code is working. So if I put an URL here, or I will put I will go to the page, which is fix header, I do update, save, and I will need to publish that. So publish, because the link are not showing in preview. So publish is done. We will go into publish, click here. And so you see here, click here, and we are going to the fix header page. So this is working well, so it's pretty good. So if you have a question regarding this, if you have question regarding how to make custom font, you can look in the description. If you like this video and find it useful, give a thumbs up. If you want to know when I post new video or hacks, subscribe to the channel. And if you have suggestion of hacks or things that you want to improve in GroovePages, just drop me a comment below and I will try to help you the best as I can. So hope you enjoy. Have a great day. Bye bye.